Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can use or how to use Afterpay on your Amazon. So here are the step-by-step guide. First, what you can do or what you need to do is to verify if your Amazon supports Afterpay. Because Afterpay is not universally available on all websites. It may or may not be supported a supported payment option on Amazon. Research and verify whether Amazon supports Afterpay as a payment method for making purchases. So you can visit the Amazon website and look for the Afterpay option during the checkout process, or browse the FAQ or the frequently asked questions section to find this information. And then next, you'll need to create an Afterpay account. So in order to use Afterpay on Amazon, you must first create and link an Afterpay account to your Amazon account. So you'll need to go to your Afterpay website and then sign up for an account by providing your personal details such as your full name, your email address, date of your birth, and phone number. You will also be required to create a password for your account. And after signing up, be sure to check your email inbox to verify your account. And then next, you'll need to link your Afterpay account to Amazon. Connecting your Afterpay account to Amazon ensures that the two accounts are synced and that Apple Pay will be visible payment option during checkout. So log in into your Amazon account and navigate to your account page and then look for the payment options menu. Find the Add a Payment Method section and see if you can select Afterpay as an option. So if possible, enter your Afterpay login details to link the two accounts. And then next, you can now shop on Amazon. Now that your account are set up and linked, you can start shopping on Amazon. Browse the Amazon website and add the desired items to your shopping cart. And once you are ready to purchase, click on the cart icon and proceed to the checkout process. And then next, you can go ahead and select Afterpay at checkout. Choosing Afterpay as your payment method will enable you to pay for your Amazon purchases in installments. So on the Amazon checkout page, you can navigate to the payment method section. If available, select Afterpay from the list of payment options, then review the installment plans details presented, including the amount due and the number of payments required. And then next, what you can do is confirm your order and payment plan. Confirming your order and payment plan will finalize your Amazon purchase using Afterpay as your chosen payment method. Review your order details, shipping address, and chosen payment plan. And once you are satisfied with the information provided, click the Place Your Order button to complete the process, and you will receive an email confirmation detailing your purchase and payment plan. And then next, we can keep track of the payments and due dates. Timely payments help maintain a good relationship with Afterpay and ensure that you can continue using the service for your future purchases. You can log in into your Afterpay account regularly to view your payment schedule, due dates, and payment history. Just make sure to pay each installment on or before the due date to avoid late fees or account restrictions. If your payment is declined or if you cannot make a payment on time, contact Afterpay customer service for assistance. And please note that Afterpay may not be currently available on Amazon as a payment option, so this guide assumes the possibility for the future integration or if a third-party services enables the use of the Afterpay on Amazon platforms. So always verify the availability of payment options before proceeding with any purchases. So that is all for this video and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.